3, 2, 1.
Which language uses the Gaelic alphabet? The answer is A, Irish. What year did the popular sitcom, The King of Queens, first hit the airwaves? The answer is A, 1998. What piece of equipment is used by a long-distance swimmer to keep track of time? The answer is D, timer. The taste called umami, which is considered by the Japanese and Chinese taste researchers for one of the basic tastes, is mainly associated with which of the following groups of substances? The answer is B, proteins. What are the Earth's two poles called? The answer is C, north and south. This quote belongs to which character from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? The answer is C, the Shredder. What requires soil to grow? The answer is C, daffodils. Which type of bed has a large headboard and footboard? The answer is C, four-poster bed. Which supply cuts paper, string, or other materials? The answer is A, scissors. Abu Dhabi is the capital city of which country? The answer is A, United Arab Emirates. What mathematical principle states that two angles are equal if they have the same measure? The answer is C, the additive property. Which radio wave frequency range is used for FM broadcasting? The answer is A, very high frequency VHF. What is the name of the theory that suggests all matter in the universe is composed of a small number of indivisible units called particles? The answer is D, atomic theory. What popular proverb does this refer to? A disposition towards inquiry deprive the feline of its vital state. The answer is C, curiosity killed the cat. Where did organisms live when they first appeared on Earth? The answer is A, in the water. Students make weather observations outside the school building, and then they record their observations. Which observation should be recorded as a fact? The answer is B, the wind is blowing at 5 m/s. Known for a golden apple, I cause dispute among gods. Who am I? The answer is D, Eris. Which animal lays square eggs? The answer is D, platypus. What is the famous sculpture of a defiant girl standing on a broken chunk of a broken globe called? The answer is B, Lady Liberty. From what harbor did the Titanic set sail? The answer is B, Southampton. Which are the closest living relations to land plants? The answer is C, Charophytes. What is the small, round vegetable with a leafy top often used in stir-fries? The answer is D, bok choy. Which company created the first mass-produced personal computer? The answer is B, IBM. This sound clip is from what NES game featuring a creature that could eat anything? The answer is B, Kirby's Adventure. Which two countries had to reconcile in the 1980s before a gas pipeline route spanning the Strait of Gibraltar from Algeria to Spain was possible? The answer is A, Algeria and Morocco. What is the title of F. Scott Fitzgerald's novel about the extravagant lifestyle of the wealthy during the Jazz Age? The answer is A, The Great Gatsby. Brandon Lee was killed during the shooting of the film The Crow while doing what scene? The answer is C, a flashback scene. In what type of written form did Aristotle prefer to express and defend his doctrines? The answer is A, dialogue. Contrary to this celestial body's true nature, the term asteroid means what according to its Greek origins? The answer is B, star-like. Which type of bed has 4 posters and a headboard? The answer is A, canopy bed. Who is the lead singer of Aerosmith? The answer is A, Steven Tyler. Who is the tallest man in the squad on the TV show Combat? The answer is C, Little John. What is a golf club's longest club called? The answer is A, driver. Which river flows through the Amazon rainforest? The answer is C, Amazon. The moon is what to the Earth? The answer is C, the closest body in space. What kind of competition often leads to extinction because the species that is less well adapted gets fewer of the resources that both species need? The answer is D, interspecific competition. What is a low bench with cushions on it called? The answer is C, ottoman. Which Bulgarian soccer star played for FC Barcelona in the years when they were famous as Dream Team? The answer is A, Hristo Stoichkov. What are the 3 types of isomers? The answer is B. Structural, cis strands, and enantiomers. What is Odin's eight-legged horse named? The answer is A. Sleipnir. In which movie did Michael Douglas portray unemployed defense engineer William Defense Foster? The answer is B. Falling Down. What are the only organisms that can decompose wood? The answer is A. Fungi. One watermelon weighs 10 kg 22 pounds plus the half of its own weight. How much does it weigh? The answer is A. 20 kg 44 pounds. What is the streaming service launched by Amazon in 2006? The answer is D. Amazon Prime Video. Which game features a plumber named Mario as the main character? The answer is D. Mario Bros. Which type of rock is formed when limestone is subjected to heat and pressure? The answer is C. Marble. What do you use to cut papers and other materials?
The answer is B. Scissors.
Signals from rods and cones can follow several different pathways in what structure of the eye? The answer is B. Retina. Which of these songs, referring to Seattle, was recorded by the famous grunge band Nirvana? The answer is B. Frances Farmer Will Have Her Revenge on Seattle. Bioluminescence is an example of what type of activity that is carried out by a cell and is precisely coordinated and controlled.